Hey everyone, welcome back. So guys, in this video you will learn how you can add leads into Salesforce from your emails automatically. So guys, let's say you have an email by which you communicate with your audience, with your leads, with your clients and your customers. And you want that whenever someone emails you, the person will be added into your Salesforce as a lead automatically. So you can use this automation, guys. So we have designed this automation to fast pace and streamline your lead collection process from emails. So now you can see on my screen, this will be the flow of this automation. Here in Office 365's Outlook, which is an email service, as and when you are going to receive an email, the person who have sent you the email will be added as a new lead in Salesforce application automatically. So you do not have to manually see who is sending you the email, and you do not have to manually add the data here. So it will save your time and your energy, and your productivity will be improved. And we are using Pabbly Connect to make this connection between Microsoft Office 365's Outlook and Salesforce, which is an integration and automation tool. And the best part is anyone can set up this automation very easily without any coding skills. So guys, let's set up this automation together. So to start setting up this automation, guys, you need to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect application, and to reach here you can use this link pabbly.com/connect. So we have pasted this same in the description as well. From here you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account by clicking on this sign up free button, and you will get 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay, so sign up right now and then log in to reach here on the dashboard. And guys, here you have to create a workflow. For that, just click on this create workflow button, and here you can give a suitable name to this workflow. So I am giving the name here as email leads to Salesforce automation. Okay. So after giving the name like this, you just have to click on this create button, and you can see your workflow page is loading up here. And on this page, guys, you will find these two things, the trigger and the action. So this automation is going to work on these two things only. So the trigger here is that event which is going to trigger or start this workflow, and the action would be the response towards the trigger. As in this use case, the trigger would be receiving of any email from any of your leads in your MS Outlook inbox, and the action towards that trigger would be to save the person as a lead inside Salesforce application. Okay, so first of all you need to set up the trigger. So here in this trigger, guys, we are going to connect the inbox of our email service, which is this MS Outlook, and to connect it here we are going to use a feature of Pabbly Connect which is called email parser. So here we have email parser, guys. So select email parser here, and it will give you this email address. This is email parsing address we have. Now guys, what I'm going to do in this MS Outlook account, I'm going to add this email parser address as the forwarding address. This means whenever I'm going to receive any email in this inbox, the emails will be forwarded to this email parser address, and the details of the email will be captured here in this response section. Okay, so let me show you how to do that. So this is my email inbox, and here we have this settings icon. Click on settings, and under the settings, when you scroll down, you will find this view all Outlook settings option. Click on view all Outlook settings, and here on this left hand side panel you will find this forwarding option. Click on forwarding. Okay, so already a forwarding email address is pasted here. Let me erase this. So guys, here you have to click on this enable forwarding checkbox like this, and here in this email address field you have to add this email address, this parser address. So just click on copy from here, okay, and paste this parser address here like this. Okay, and then click on save here. So the email parser forwarding address is saved here in this account, and here guys you can see it is showing waiting for the email parser response. This means Now, as and when I am going to receive any new email here, the details of that email will be fetched here in this response section. Okay, so here I am going to open another email account of mine. So guys, this is another email address. The name of this email address is Michael Karas. Okay, and here from this email account, I am going to send an email to this person. This person's name is Ashi Rai. Okay, here we have added the forwarding address. Okay, so here let me compose an email, and I'm sending this email to this person. Let me copy this. So guys, I have typed this email. This is the subject and this is the email. Hey Pabbly team, I want to create a new integration between my email inbox to Salesforce. Okay, so and I'm sending this email to this account. Okay, so let me click on send, and the message is sent here, and here you can see this message will be received here. Okay, so you can see we have received a new email here from Michael Karas. Okay, and this is the same email, and let us check in our workflow if we got this data of this email or not. So here you can see guys, we got the response like this. It is showing us the sender's email address and the name. Okay, like this, and this is the subject, and when you scroll down here you will find a label in which you can get the subject and the message from the email. You can see in this body text label we got the whole email that we have received inside our email inbox. Okay, so guys, we got the email parsed out here. Now I want to add this person who has sent us this email as the lead inside Salesforce application. Okay, so here I'm going to connect Salesforce in this action step. So search for Salesforce here. Here it is selected, and the action event would be create a lead. Okay, create lead option, then click on connect, and from this window select add new connection, then click on connect with Salesforce. All right, and here it is asking for the access to be given to Pabbly Connect to make this connection. So click on allow from here, and you will be connected with Salesforce. Okay, so we are now connected, and here it is asking for the last name, first name, and all these things. So guys, we have received the data from our email like this. Okay, and here you will find that we have received the name of the person as well, but the name is like this. We got the full name. We do not have the first name and the last name separated, so we can separate the first and the last name by using a feature of Pabbly Connect. Just click here in this plus icon in between these two steps, and another action step will open up here, and from here search for text formatter. Okay, here is text formatter, and the action event would be split text, and then click on connect, and here it is asking which text you want to split. So guys, I want to split this name from the first and the last name. Okay, so I'm going to map this display name label here. So to map the label, just click here, and it will show you this email parser step in the drop down. So from here only you can map the label like this. Okay, and now it is asking for the separator. So it is asking from which word you want to separate the things. So I want the first name and the last names to be separated from the space in between. So to use space as the separator, you have to put the separator like this. You can read in the instructions. You can just copy this format and put space here as a separator like this. Okay, and now it is asking for the segment index. So if you want to have the first part, you can select first. If you want to have the last part, you can select last or second. So I want both of these things, so I am selecting all option. Click on all, then click on save and send test request, and here in the result 0 label you have the first name, and the result 1 label you got the last name. Okay, now I can map the things. So just click here, and you can see it is not showing us the previous steps. This is because we have added one more step in between these two steps. So now I'm going to refresh this connection with Salesforce. Just click on connected again, and from here keep this existing connection option selected, and then click on save one more time, and you will be connected again. Okay, so now when you click here, it will show you the previous steps. So from this text formatter step, map the last name, then map the first name from the same place. If you want to give a title, you can give a title. Here it is asking for the company's name. So if you have the company's name here, actually we do not have the company's name, so I'm just putting here the company as Pabbly. Okay, you can put your company's name also. Here it is asking for the phone number, so we do not have that also. Now we can map the email from the first step. This is the sender's email, map it. Okay, here it is asking for the website, so if you have a website you can put the address. Description, so in the description you can map the text that you have received in the email. So I have received this email, which you can read here in this body text. This is the email, I'm mapping it in the description. In the lead source you can select the source, I'm selecting other. Okay, this is the status of the lead, this is the rating of the lead, and all these things. But I have filled the required things, or the things I have received. Okay, now you can check your connection with Salesforce by clicking on save and send test request, and a new lead will be created here in the lead section in Salesforce. Right now I have all these leads, guys. Let me click on save and send test request here. Alright, so this is the response we have received. It is showing success. Let's see in Salesforce if we got the data of a new lead. So I'm refreshing the lead section here. And here you can see Michael Karas got added here. Okay, this is the company, this is the email address, this is the status. Okay, these are all the things that I have mapped here. So this is how it is going to work, guys. So this is how you can capture the data of a new lead from your emails like this. Okay, so you can see we got the details, and in the details we got all the things, and we got the description in which we got the email. Okay, so this is how it is going to work. So our connection is working fine. We are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up this automation only once, guys. After that, as and when you are going to receive any emails from in any particular email address in which you have attached this forwarding address, the persons who are sending those emails will be added as a new leads inside Salesforce automatically. And the good part is you can use this same workflow that I have created, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.